Hello everyone, welcome to my channel 12 calls. My name is Ankit. Today we have a question about Motherson Sumi. Is Motherson Sumi bottomed out? And we'll look into that. But before that, my standard disclaimer. This is only educational video. Always check with your financial advisor before doing any equity investment. It is always subjected to risk. Also a word about me. Alright, so here we have around 9 months of Motherson Sumi data. This is our daily chart. In order to explain, I have used only one simple indicator called 50 EMA. Okay, so we can see here around this time, I think roughly around March April time, it was making this triple top here. Okay, so it made this triple top, and so it was trading around 200 to 50 range, and latest it made a triple bottom here, which is around 115 range. Okay, so we can see that. Okay, other thing that we should see that from here onwards, okay, almost this 4-5 months it was trading below 50 EMA, and recently this guy started trading above 50 EMA here. Okay, and other thing that one more thing that we have to notice that it made a RSI above 70, which says that share is overbought, so share may correct again. So in case share corrects again and comes down to a range around 115, it becomes a buying opportunity, and we should expect upside towards 125 and 140. It may go further up also, but yeah, this is something that can be seen in 2 to 3 month time if one enters around 115 range, and then whatever is the 52-week low, that can be kept as a stop loss in that case. Okay, other thing that we will see is mutual fund holding that is continuously increasing. Here we can see that mutual fund holding is around I think this 40 crore, and then last 3 months it's changed from 40 crore to 54 crore, which is a substantial 35% hike in the mutual fund holding. Okay, and if we see number of schemes also, it's good. There are around 103 schemes that are holding this particular counter. So yeah, that looks good. Overall holding also looks good. This is only an ancillary company. Accordingly, 3 to 4% allocation is good. Alright, so we'll conclude here. 115 looks a buying opportunity in Motherson Sumi for the target of 125 and 140. So that's all for today, guys. Please do subscribe to my channel. Jai Hind.